大家好 Today I'm gonna show you how to make delicious dumplings. 我们今天要做水饺 And for the dough, we're gonna need 2 cups of flour, 2杯面粉 1 teaspoon of salt, 1小条根盐巴 and a half of cup of warm water. Okay, 半杯温水 So we're gonna start putting the teaspoon of salt, 放小条根盐巴 and we're gonna mix. Okay, and we're gonna pour the water and 把水放进去，慢慢的放进去 Okay, 这样子就可以用手揉了 Okay, now we're gonna use our hands. And we're gonna start forming the dough. Okay, we're gonna take it to the surface. 把它放在桌子上 Okay, and we're gonna knead it for around 10 minutes. 差不多揉10分钟哈 until it's smooth. Okay, we're gonna shape it like a bowl. We're gonna make a round shape 弄成像一个小球 And we're gonna let it sit for 1 hour 把它放1个小时 here You cover it with a cloth or a plastic film Okay, after an hour we're gonna take the dough out So 过了1个小时以后 we're gonna take the dough out We're gonna make a hole here and we're gonna form like a shape of a donut about 1 inch thick, a little bit like that 差不多这样子就 OK We're gonna cut it into equal pieces Okay, now we're gonna cut into equal pieces Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour and we're gonna start kneading Okay, press差不多这样就 OK 了 Like around maybe 7 centimeters of diameter Okay, so then we're gonna fill it with Okay, and then we just close it like this You can make a shape of a ravioli like this And the next one I'm gonna show you another closing Okay, I'm gonna take another one Remember to put a damp cloth 记得放一个布上去了吗会干掉这两个样子 Okay, 2 ways And then I'm gonna show you another way Close it in the half And then the end you close it in And then you grab another 这样子边边关起来再 压一次 ，OK？ And there's a very nice dumpling. Okay, those are the 3 easiest ways to make the dumpling. 好了 then I'm gonna show you how to cook the dumplings, okay? Okay, now that we've already made all our dumplings, 我们把我们的水饺包好了以后 we're gonna cook them, okay? So I put a little bit of water, 我放一点水 and I'm gonna boil it. Once it's boiling, I'm gonna put the dumplings in. Now that the water is boiling, we're gonna put the dumplings in. 那个水煮开了，我们就要煮那个水饺哈，一个一个放进去。I'm gonna put them in. Okay, we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes, okay? As you can see, our dumplings are ready. 我们的水饺已经好了，希望你们喜欢。Hope you guys like it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. 不要忘记喜欢我们的台哦，按钮。